Paano nga ba magsimula ng food business? Episode 2.
So, the next step is making a business plan.
Hi, this is Rachel of Steak to One and business class is in session.
Hindi naman malatisis tong business plan, no? Simplehan lang natin. So, here are the 8 sections of the business plan. Number 1, executive summary. This is your elevator pitch. Ano to at bakit may bibili? Basically, kung ano yung business mo, para kanino, at paano ka kikita.
Second is company
So,
summary.
yung
mga basic info, yung mga mission, vision, company values, company name, kung anong klaseng business, ganun. Third is market analysis.
This is how you know your audience, no? Or kung sino yung target market mo. Isama mo na rin yung mga competitors mo. 4 is products and services. Lista mo na yung menu items mo, yung prices mo, and yung problem na sinosolve mo. Number 5, marketing strategy. Or paano ka ba makikilala? Or saan ka rin magbebenta? Sa Yellow Basket sa TikTok, sa GrabFood, walk-in. At paano ka ba mapapansin? Kasi hindi lang enough na masarap yung ino-offer mo. Kailangan visible ka. Number 6, operational plan. Ito yung behind the scenes kung paano mo pinapatakbo yung business mo. Importante na rin dito na you start systemizing para mag-delegate ka na lang as your business grows. Number 7, team structure. Sino bang gagawa ng lahat? Ikaw ba lahat? Or may staff ka? Kahit konti lang yung staff mo, importante may role clarity sila. Number 8, the last but not the least, financial plan. You should know your numbers. Kaya dapat alam mo yung cost of goods sold, kung paano gumawa ng income statement. Kasi syempre importante, dapat kumikita ka din. Ilista mo yung puhunan mo, yung expenses mo, your prices, and kung ilang benta ang kailangan mo per day. So, yan lang. Hope this helps and class dismissed.